Guys, Brian here. I have been hearing this knocking in this bathroom. I don't know what it is. I'm hearing this thump, thump, thump. Yeah, don't mind my messy closet there. Yes, I'm talking to myself. I keep hearing this thump in here. I wonder if it's in this closet right here. Oh yes, it could be. It could be the kitten tearing up the carpet. I'm making a video, dear. Bunch of no-name kittens. I figured that I would stoop really low and make a kitten video and put it on YouTube just to be cool. Come on. Want some of that love? Oh, ow. I think that one just hissed at us. My cat's torn this carpet up. Kitty, kitty. Meow. That's too much. Alright, now that I've stooped really low and actually put a kitten video on YouTube, you guys have a wonderful day. Much love.